Hey folks, here's the question. How many structural isomers are there in an alkane C6H14? So here's the first one you should always do. You should always do a long chain of however many carbons you have, in this case 6, and then you would have all those lines connect to 14 hydrogens. So this would be, since it's 6, it would be hex, single bonds, it would be ane, so hexane. So the first thing I normally do is I take our first one, so I'd have one on the end. Say we had one right here that was 6 in a row, so you had your 6 in a row right here, but I would take that off and then I would move it not 1 in but 2 in, 2 carbons in, so you could have either moved it to this carbon right here, or like I did, you moved it to the carbon right there. So therefore that's a methyl group right here, and since it's on carbon number 2, it would be called 2-methyl. And now it's 5 in a row, so it's 2-methyl pentane. So that's the first one. And that's pretty much what you end up doing. You take carbons off the ends and put them somewhere in the middle. So let's take a look at another one. This one. This one here, I took 2 methyl groups. I put them both on carbon number 2, so it would be 2, since this is carbon number 2, so it would be 2 dimethyl, since there's 2 methyls, and 4 in a row, so therefore butane. So 2,2-dimethyl butane. Okay. Now, and this one, I just, instead of putting it on the second one, I put it on the middle one of a pentane. So therefore it would be a 3-methyl pentane. Our next one is, not here, but right here. So this one, I actually took the methyls that were on the 2,2, and I just moved down one to that third one. So I've got a methyl group right there. So it's 2-methyl, 3-methyl, and it doesn't matter which way we count now, because if this is my 1 and this is my 2, then that would be my 3. But if I back those up and say this is my 1, that's my 2, that's my 3, it's still 2,3-dimethyl. It doesn't matter which way you count on this one. So it's 4 in a row, so it's a butane, so it's 2,3-dimethylbutane. And then what I was going to do on this one right here, I just wanted to show you how, don't forget, you don't have to just count this way. So I could count and make this my 1, my 2, my 3, and my 4, but this is my longest chain now, so it's a butane. So this is coming off of carbon number 2, and so is this, and I already have a 2,2-dimethyl. So even though it may look a little different than the 2,2-dimethyl that I had right there, it's still the same. So those two are the same, even though they, I'm counting them from different carbons. I'm counting my 2 methyl groups on the side and at the bottom as opposed to the top and the bottom. I mean, they do look the same. So I could flip them around, I could reverse them. So just look for the longest chain and start plucking off carbons from the side and try to make something with it. Hope that helps.